Welcome back to Adelaide Boat Sales. I'm Jo Mitten, and today we have Keith and Sandy on board a Beneteau 47.7. Keith, to start off with, obviously when you've owned the boat for a little while now, and in the beginning when you were looking at all of the different boats on the market, there would have been something that drew you to this particular boat.
Well, yeah, there was. I first saw a Beneteau 47.7 in this club when they first produced them. I can remember, what's his name, Watson? Ishtar, remember that boat?
Yeah, I vaguely remember.
Yeah, as soon as I saw it, I thought, I'm going to have one of those. Mm-hmm. And we got an opportunity to sail on it over in Lincoln, and just, it was a beautiful boat, and it was a beautiful boat to sail, and it was a quick boat. And I just said at that point, I think I said to you, that's what I'm going to do. We're going to go and find a good 47.7, and we did in Sydney, and that was probably 14 years ago. Yeah.
The cruise element, the one thing I can really feel is that today in Adelaide it's an awful day. That's why we've decided to do everything downstairs. And we've got plenty of space. It's really, really comfortable, and there's really good head height through this.
Yeah, that's another reason.
Yeah.
It's a big boat, and I'm tall, 6'3" and a bit, so got plenty of headroom, which is perfect.
Yeah, and from what we had a chat earlier, and we were talking about some strengthening, like extra after factory strengthening that was put through this boat. So it's a very strong, stiff boat.
Yeah. So the issue with these production boats is, when they build them, you've got the hull, and then you have like a chassis that goes in the hull, and they just put a heap of bog on the chassis, drop it in to the hull, and hopefully it all sticks. Some of it doesn't, and then in time, the boat working, a lot of it comes unstuck, and then you end up with a flexible boat that doesn't sail as well. So we had the whole interior was stripped out by Bolton, and we had 90. We ground the whole chassis out front to back and put 93 layers of carbon fibre in, and then I got every rib fiberglassed into the hull, and that's why the boat goes so well. And Bolton has pretty much guaranteed me I could run into anything now, nothing would ever happen. Not that I've tried.
Let's not try that. I've had a helicopter ride, not a good idea.
Yeah. But you've got a good solid boat and a very stiff boat, and it sails very, very well, very strong.
Oh, thank you very much, Keith and Sandy, for spending that time with me today, going over your boat and sharing this time with me. Really, really looking forward to seeing it back out on the water someday when it's not blowing an absolute gale.
Not going out today,
even though I think we could handle it.
Well, there's no problem. Yeah.
Fabulous. All right, thank you very much.
No worries.